Everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. So welcome to another episode of Platform App Builder Certification Series. So today we will be talking about opportunity teams and opportunity split. So what happens is, right, if you have an opportunity in a company, right, let's say in our case, it's an opportunity to sell craft beers to a pub in Germany, right? So most of the times, you might need to involve a couple of other team members to work with that opportunity, or at times you can do solo, right? So it depends upon your company. So let's say it's a big opportunity and you would like the assistance of another team member, right? So who can come and work on this opportunity. So in that case, you will create an opportunity team, right? Where you will be working together to close this deal. Most of the time, this opportunity team could be temporary because the person may not be working with you on another opportunity, but there might be a scenario where a same number of people, right? Let's say a couple of the similar people will be working on every opportunity going forward. So in that case, it's better to create a default team and add to an opportunity, right? So in our scenario, what we're gonna do. So we have to enable opportunity split, opportunity to team, and then we're going to talk about opportunity split, right? When the deal is closed, you want to split, the percentage between the team members who are involved in it, like 50, 80, or whatever, right? So we're going to enable these two things, right? Opportunity split and opportunity team. So to be reflected in opportunity. So what we're going to do today, right? Very simple. It's a very short lesson, right? We're not going to do much. I'm not going to brag about it much today. So it's Saturday here. I just wanted to, do a very simple and very short lecture today. Cool. Okay, so the first thing first, as usual, my opening statement, you need to log into an org, right? So you need to have an org, right? If you don't have an org, please register for one. It's free to do that. Please do not use customer sandbox. Cool. Okay, so let's go to opportunity first for a second. So we go to opportunities here. So we're going to open in a different tab. So let's change this view for a second to a different one. So let's go to more crafts beer. And you see there is no such thing called opportunity teams or opportunity split, right? And I wanted to add that feature. So to do that, you need to enable that in your setup, right? So let's do that first. So if you don't know how to go to setup, you need to go to the scarecrow icon and setup. It will take you to that page where we were before, right? And so you look for opportunity here in this nice search box. And let's start with opportunity team setting first, right? You can't enable opportunity split before enabling opportunity team. So as you can see, there is an option here. So which will change once you enable the opportunity team setting. So you go here, you will see enable option here. Click on save. And let's add it for now, just to keep it simple. All page layout. It depends upon your business requirement, who you want to add this, which page layout you want to add this feature, right? Okay, select this as well. So click on save. Okay, so now it's enabled, nice and easy, fantastic, right? Now let's go back and refresh this. Okay, and so you can see, voila, the opportunity team is there, right? So when you do that here, when you click on this drop down, you can have add default team, as I mentioned, that if the default team is a kind of a team who you're going to be working with on every opportunity going forward, right? Another one is to add opportunity team members, which belongs only to this opportunity. I mean, it's a temporary. Once you close this deal, you may not work together for whatever reason, right? Okay, so let's do the add opportunity team member and team role. Let's say account manager here. So user, I'm going to use Mark Wilson. Going to give rewrite access. And then it's going to go to sales manager, right? And you can do test, just for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to give rewrite access. So you can add different team members, right? Based on the roles and kind of stuff, right? So just to keep it very simple, nice and easy, I'm adding only two, right? Account manager and sales manager, right? Okay, so click on save. So that's get added, nice and easy, right? Now, the deal is closed, right? I wanted to split among these two people. So there's no such thing called opportunity split here. So that's what we're going to do now. So go back to the setup again. So it's very easy to go to setup. You can go to using the gecko icon. I mean, at this stage, you should know how to go to setup, right? I mean, if not, then I would encourage you to go and check out more tutorials about Salesforce. I've done a lot, so you can check out my other playlist. Okay, so look for opportunity again, search for it. You see, now there's a difference here, right? So you can see opportunity split settings is visible. Before, when we started for the first time, right, when opportunity team settings were disabled, opportunity split settings were invisible to us. So now, since we made it, since we enabled it, you can see the split settings. Okay, so go here. So we're gonna keep it to very basics. We're not gonna change anything here. So we keep it to very basics here. We're not gonna do anything here, right? Click on save. So if you enable it, so you see, and then you can, as usual, you can enable this for whichever profile you want based on your business requirement, and then you can add to this one here and save. It will take some time because it's saying we are enabling split for all your opportunities. So if you got lots of opportunities, it's gonna take some time. So now I do not have much, so it took like a few seconds. So okay, now nice and easy. Now let's go back to again here. Opportunity and refresh it because there's lighting, so it's you need to refresh it to see the changes reflected. Here you go. You got an opportunity split here. Okay, go here. Okay, so go back here. Sorry. Opportunity split. So now you go here. You can go to view all, right? And you can edit the opportunity split here. And let's say I wanted to add a test, and I wanted to add a 20. So that's 80. Okay, so for some, okay, so you can save it. You can add the amount should be calculated, but since we don't have anything, so it's not getting calculated. So for now, don't worry about it. So you can split it like 80% goes to mark and 10% goes to 20% goes to test. You can. My apologies that for having this test user, but just to give you an idea, give you a context. So this will do the job for now, right? Okay, so we have done that. We have created a split. We created an opportunity team, right? That's pretty much what I want to talk about it. Nice and easy, right? So I hope you enjoyed these two topics. It's very important for a certification point of view. Even if you're not going to take certification, it's important to know, what do you mean by, like we have an accounts team, right? So we can add, in an accounts we have something like that. But compared to accounts team, right, opportunities can be temporary opportunity teams, right? As I mentioned to you, that you may or may not work with the same person again for the future opportunities. So if you think so, you can create a default team, right? Cool. All right, so that's all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for attending. Greetings and adios from New Zealand. Take care. Bye-bye.